Good future morning us.
Happy future morning.
We are going to the barn. This is what we are here for.
Okay, so I'm just vlogging what it looks like before you meet your death. Stand on mountains. Oh, it's right here now. Little higher. Ow, that was my head.
He got the seat. He got it. Wow, let's go. On the road again. On the road again. I'm gonna hit this. Are we zooming now? Are we zooming now? Oh yeah, he be testing it. He liked it. You missed it, but he was testing it and it was good. He liked it.
How do I make it not fuzzy? It's so fuzzy. Sit on it. It's comfy.
It only has one armrest. Oh.
Yeah.
That do be comfy though.
It's really comfy.
The bad news is, I drove all the way to Rainy River and they only had one Carmeniner. There's only one of them in the whole store. So, well, I don't know.
We acquired it.
It's been like 4 hours since our last vlog. So there's also lettuce in the Rice Krispie box. I don't know why.
Hello, future us. We have acquired this to go with this. So we have one for each side. Also rope and a dope.
Just enough. It's clean, it's beautiful, it's nice.
Very beautiful.
Wow. Suitable for females. And Fletcher.
One fat male.
We're putting wire in because it's metal, so we can't exactly screw it on. We got the bottom parts put in. Now we're gonna go look for wood that goes along this way.
We need 36 inches. 36. 36 on the nose.
Big boy Jenga. Oh, good job, Tim. He got the sides put on there, and now he's got this thing on fire. Transporting it to where it was.
Alright, lift that.
Ah, right. So that's my job there. I thought I was in the Bahamas again.
Don't you know the spaghetti incident?
Right, yeah, I forgot about that. Oh, Gramps is coming. You better hide the booze. Oh yeah, that's pretty good, huh? Wait, so then what? Oh, then you have a buoy that connects them?
No. Then you drop it down with the strings. You want it about this high off the ground.
Maybe a little higher, maybe a little lower, that's up to you. Oh, you could even, what you could do...
2 feet off the ground.
Have it real low. Yeah, you could have it like so you sit back into it. Right? Like a toilet. Alright, just do it wherever it ends for this one. Okay. Ah, that's my foot.
Okay.
Want me to lift? No, you don't want me to lift. It's going down.
This yellow timber.
You better move.
You better dance.
You better dance. I like to play the bongos in my free time, did you know?
Okay, go.
But looks pretty romantic, don't you think? Oh,
She settled.
oh goodness. That does make me a little bit nervous.
You want to tip back a bit, Molly?
Yeah, ready? There you go.
Oh,
Almost
this is much better.
Yeah, I like that.
Okay.
Yeah, now my legs are feeling
Okay, here's
the
what we're
breeze.
gonna do.
We found it.
Okay. Now stay
Do it,
right there.
Frankie.
Don't let her move.
All right. Don't you move, Mr. Chair. This is the greatest job I ever had. But you know what? Honestly, if you're swinging, oh, that's like the perfect time. Oh yeah, the legs are free. Get on here with me, Frankie. Try it out. I don't like that noise though. That's less than romantic.
What's all that squeaking noise?
It's been 2.5 hours since our last vlog, and we're just gonna move it back because this thing squeaks every time we're rocking. Time to loosen the screw. No, tighten the nut, the bolt, this. Tighten. Good news. Tightening it means no more squeaky. Nice. You bought a weed whacker too? It's raining on the cows. Wet cow disease. We've been whacking weeds, looking much nicer here. Tim put this board up and now he says it's much more structurally integral, which is good.
Hello, future us. We have completed it.
Where was he ever ended up?
Grandpa is trying to figure out where his tri-lights went. Right now, our main suspect is Elizabeth Adam.
We did it! Bye!
We should make one of these for the cabin.